Hey you guys, I went back to Bathandbodyworks. I went with a friend. We decided to meet up at the mall. So the first place we went was Bathandbodyworks. I didn't get much this time because I have all of this. I just picked up a couple things I want to share with y'all. I ended up getting 2 candles. They were like $3, $3.50. Excuse my nails, they're peeling and I have not had a chance to remove them. I've been busy. Hey, I didn't know this sticker was right there. But anywho, one of the candles I got was the Fiji White Sands. It's a very, very light scent. And then I got this one. It's called Summer Boardwalk. It's super strong. Doesn't smell all that great, but I figured maybe when I burn it, it'll smell a little bit better. But they didn't have too many choices, and I wanted a couple of the small candles, so I picked this one. And then I had a coupon for a free item, and you're only able to pick from one of the little small items, so I picked up this Happy Birthday. I had put the lotion on, I think, while I was there, and I like the smell of it. It's frosted vanilla. It smelled good, so I picked the Happy Birthday spray. And I found a cotton candy shower gel because I have the cotton candy spray here. I didn't see the lotion, so that's all I'm missing is the lotion, and I wish I could find that. But the scent on this is spun sugar, pink berries, and whipped vanilla. So I cannot wait to use this. So I'm going to use that together soon. But yeah, that's what I just got. So I had got this container. I was actually going to use it for some of the new nail polish that I just picked up, but I think what I'm going to do is try to put my Bath and Body Works in here, because this is my other container with my Bath and Body Works in it. It has a mixture of some different things in it, but as you can see, it's pretty full. I can barely close it, so I needed a new one to put the new stuff. So I'm going to see if this one will work. So yeah, and let's see if I can get this stuff to fit in here. If it's not gonna fit right, I think I'm just gonna go ahead and use it for my nail polish. This, you guys, amazing. The Japanese cherry blossom rice milk and shea body scrub. Oh my god, I love this. I went back hoping to get some more and it wasn't on sale anymore, so I just said screw it, because I got this one for like $3-4. Oh, these hand sanitizer sprays. I use this one. Oh, it smells so good. Keeping one in my car. I have 3, so okay, let's see, I'm gonna put this on the side, this on the side. Oh my god, my nails, they look terrible. This isn't gonna fit. I don't think it's gonna work. I'm gonna change out some of the stuff that I have up here on top of my thing, and put some of my new stuff up here and put some of this stuff up and maybe put it into this, so I'm not sure yet. That's it. Let's see. Oh no, I forgot about this. Might work. It worked. If you can see here, it can close all the way down but good enough. Good enough. Perfect. Okay. So now my bags are finally empty. I've had them in bags forever. So I've got my container nice and full of my smell goods. Yay.